was chilling with the bros who was up for
Madam Dalo, because we keep going to the hand and maybe at that.
Behind a member at our inauguration, ISU Women Commonwealth. Go to Mwanyi ISU. Mwanyi Didi Haje Jemba. Mwanyi DJ Noro. So, with our able president, Lolo, Eziada Doris Onowa, and her executives, and the entire ISU Commonwealth community, today we are bringing this organization into life. It has been up to 3 years, so we are inaugurating it today.
Oh, that's good. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So today we are going to eat both jollof rice and everything.
The jollof rice, coconut rice, drumstick, fish, salad, and orgy, and also orgy, in fact, you know the most important one? Afufa.
Oh my God! Thank you. Yes, no, good evening. No, no, Irutego. Kenya na-eme ebe a tata. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Una amakacha o. Dalo o. Okay.
Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must
Thank you.
Okay, we keep our trying here and maybe at that.
Commonwealth Women, I name out inauguration today.
I was chilling the bros who was up for it.
Okay.
A lot is going to happen.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Is this the first inauguration?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So where is this issue? I think about it. Where is it? Okay.
From Imo State, Nigeria.
Okay. Okay.
From Imo.
All right, thank you, ma. You guys look so beautiful. Dalusa.
ISU Commonwealth Women Association, Ghana History, Texas, United States of America, Omuwani Tanata, Shizu Clan, Imo State. Hallelujah. ISU Ganonia. So that's all. Never give them what you can have a decoration.
ISU Commonwealth Women Pupanda Lebe o. Ande Chineke mere mma o. Bịawanụ bebe gị o. Ndị ka bịanụ nzamụ. Ndị kasị bịanụ nzamụ.
ISU Commonwealth Women. Ndị aka eji aga mba. Ụmụ nwaanyị nwụrụ di ha n'anya.
ISU bụkwa ndị na-eme mma, ndị na-eme mma o. ọkwa ndị na-eli ego ndị na-eli ego anyị bi na United States na-achọ ego oyibo ego anyị ga-eji emezigbule ndị chara acha ego anyị ga-eji were emezi Imo steeti ndị chara acha
Yes, it is racist. It is racist. Yes.
President General ISU Commonwealth Women, Lady Doris Onu, President Adiola, Namuri Omanze, Gosimba, Ebelake, Ochini, the First Lady.
I get Bureke Nani Bugala Vice President. Ono Chiano Bionyoma, Wadanaba, Ola Lilia, Chidego, Adiwurugima.
Ayinekele, the Vice President, Madam Ella Travel, raising one elect Emeka Chinedu, Ella Travel.
Edumaka Secretary, Onyoma, Adiwurugima. Mmasoro Kedi Anuo, Numunduba, Dakuko.
Ayinekele, Lady Kechi Onwenu, Ikolowa, raising Adamu Gono Churata. Ayekele,
Dakuko.
Thank you. Please, can you put your hands together for Dr. Mrs. Ilala at Episcopa? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Let me join our voice in welcoming you to this great event today, the 19th of October 2024. The ICWA Women USA, Houston in particular, has invited us to be part of this great occasion to witness the official inauguration of this great association and also accept their beautiful new uniform in the community. Please, can we put our hands together for ISU Women? Today we are going to witness a very special dancing step from ISU Commonwealth Women Wing because they are going to entertain us. Ladies and gentlemen, our time is fast spent. This occasion was built to start at 8 p.m. but by my time, it's some minutes past 10 p.m. I'm not going to labor you with much speech. I'm going to go straight into the business of the day. We are here to launch the new uniform. We are here to inaugurate ISU Women Commonwealth. And we are here to witness ISU Women dance. These three items require one thing: money. Therefore, from the beginning to the end, until I drop this microphone, don't be tired when I come to you and ask you for support and support and support, especially monetary support, because we are going to give these women the necessary support and encouragement to continue to forge ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, I remain yours sincerely, the best among equals. MC Kizito Sinobu, I have the DJ that cannot be compared to any other DJ. That is DJ Brown in the house. Can you make some noise? Also, I have the production team, the Smart Cut production, led by our own person, our brother Stanley Achalon, for your video production and every other production, and we want it to appear excellently good. Please do not fail to contact the Smart Cut production. And also, I have our 90-year who is doing a coverage, Sir Chris Elekwa. All of us in the house are going to make this night a memorable one. And I promise you, by the time you leave here, you will have every cause to say, I did not regret coming here tonight. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to leave in the hands of DJ for one or two consultations. DJ Brown, please, and he entertain us. While he is doing that, I need two beautiful women from the ISU Commonwealth. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please, we are going to invite some dignitaries to occupy this our tables. ISU Women is functioning today because there is ISU Men. Therefore, we are going to recognize the ISU Men who have cheered this great organization to great heights. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming to the table, the side table in a way, Sir and Lady Emmanuel Diribe. Please, Sir and Lady Emmanuel Diribe. Yeah. All these people who I'm calling, they are all past ISU Men leaders. So they are emeritus. Please put your hands together for Sir Emmanuel Diribe when you have the hand and your DJ.
Uche nwanyị ọma, ọkwa ya bụrụ ga-ejeje mba.
na bụ ife ihe Chukwu nyere ụmụ na mpụta ugwu eji eje mba ọnụ ụzọ mgbarịwa mgbarịwa mgba ọnụ ụzọ mgbarịwa mgbarịwa ije ayaya.
Thank you, DJ. Also, another grand past leader of ISU Men. It is my now privilege to introduce Chief and Lolo Ugo, who work for Obuzo. Chief and Lolo Ugo, who work for. Okay, not yet around. I'm not seeing him. Okay, while we're waiting for his arrival, let me also invite another great past leader. In the person of Chief Kajeta of Faithfulness, Chief Kajeta of Faithfulness, along there, please. Okay. Okay, while we are waiting for these people, ladies and gentlemen, we have some of our dignitaries here in the house and we want to recognize them. It is my honor and privilege to invite to the table Mr. and Mrs. Peter Omodele. Mr. and Mrs. Peter Omodele. I have one name here, and when you say what a man can do, a woman can do even better. I know this is a woman that she can move mountains. She's equal to every task you can give to her. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming to the table, Dr. Lolo, Mrs. Kalesa Nabibe. Also sitting by Dr. Kalesta Let me also invite the son, Mr. Kelechi Emmanuel Jr. Nabife, to please join them all. Please put your hands together for Mr. Kelechi Emmanuel Nabife. While we are waiting for the arrival of some of our guests, today we are launching the uniform and somebody gonna take the lead. It is my honor and privilege to introduce the chief launcher for today's occasion in the person of Dr. and Mrs. Stanley Ogu, who will be ably represented by Nzenalolo NBE Ogu, the parents. Please, our chief launcher will be represented by the parents, Nze and Lolo NBE Ogu. Please, everybody, I know how seen Nze here and Lolo here. Please, DJ, give it to them. Let's fish them out wherever they are. They are representing the chief launcher tonight. DJ, give it to them back too. Yes, I understand that Mr. Kelechi Emmanuel Nabife Jr. just arrived. Please put your hands together for him. Thank you so much. Good to have you. And ladies and gentlemen, also joining them, I have the honor and privilege to invite Chief Alolo Ema Bidoka Omeboji Nokodo. Chief Alolo Ema Bidoka. Okay, not yet around. Also, to join them, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Chief Alolo Osuchukwu. Chief Alolo Osuchukwu. Chief Alolo Christian Osuchukwu. Okay, still waiting for the arrival. Let me also invite the table Anthony and Dr. Mrs. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let me at this point in time invite to the table the current president of ISU Commonwealth Association, the men's wing, in the person of Chief Alolo Kajata of Fairfield, to please come to the high table. The current president of ISU Commonwealth. I'm sorry, I refer you as a past leader, but one day you'll be past leader. Please put your hands together for the current president of ISU Commonwealth. It is not. Thank you. All right. Also joining us at the high table, let me honorably invite one of my best friends, Dr. and Mrs. Jude Ejimaka. Dr. and Mrs. Jude Ejimaka. I know they are here. I've seen them. Mbana Sonu Ruala. Okay, here we come, definitely. Okay, while we are waiting for their arrival, I was meant to understand that one of the past leaders of the Commonwealth Men, Chief Alolo Goguzo, and just arrived. Please, everybody ready? Just walk straight to the table. Take your seats.
Women Association, Governor History, Texas, United States of America, Woman Tanata, Shizu Clan, Imo State. Hallelujah. Isuga Nolinia. So that's so.
I already called my friend, he stood up, but that time Goguzo was also coming. Dr. and Mrs. Jude Ejimaka, from the rear, please put your hands together for them as they come forward. Mbana Sonuruala. Great friend. DJ! Let me also invite to the table one of the blessed sons of our Lord, who is endowed with great skills and leadership qualities. Anywhere he is, he will surely be recognized. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to invite to the table Mazi Chris Nalomo Alekwe, the current Vice President, Keys Club. the past immediate president of the Lost Club, the president emeritus of Olo Regional Assembly. Please, DJ, give it to
him. No make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. Tables turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. Oh, all these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my God, on your mind. Did not see you last week.
Thank you, DJ. Let me also at this morning time invite to the table Nzebon Iguago na Lord Dr. Judy Iguago. Make us look. Now, to please come to the table. Nzebon Iguago, Dr. Judy Iguago. Make us look. I know they'll be coming from the rear. While they are coming, ladies and gentlemen, let me also invite Chief Callistus and the Lolo Duruji. Chief Callistus and Lolo Duruji.
Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. Oh, all these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind.
gonna do about it? Shake your body. What we gonna do about it? Shake. What we gonna do about it? Shake your body. What we gonna do about it? Shake. I got the wind in my hair, the sun in my face, stay in the blade, leaving no trace. And when I look into your eyes, I know we'll make it there. With you, I could go anywhere. I got this big vibe. What you gonna do about it? Shake your body. What you gonna do about it? Shake. What we gonna do about it? Shake your body. What we gonna do about it? Shake.
Well, all ladies and gentlemen, let me also invite the devil, Chief Rimba and Lola Nkechi, and I want to tell you that Lola Nkechi is the current ICWA Women President. Please, Rimba and Lola Nkechi, wherever you are, let's have you at the high table. Chief Rimba and Lola Nkechi. I can see Lola Nkechi, I'm not seeing Rimba. We can welcome her. This is the current ICWA Women President. Yes.
What we gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Take your vibe. Take your vibe. Yeah. Take your vibe.
Thank you. Let me also invite the following to the table. Professor Alola Omudiwe. Professor Alola Omudiwe. Also joining them is Mr. and Mrs. Iji Duru. I hope I get it. Mr. and Mrs. Iji Duru.
ISU Commonwealth Women Association, Ghana History, Texas, United States of America, Omuma International, Shizu Clan, Imo State. Hallelujah.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Professor and Dr. Mrs. Owodiwe to please come to the table. Professor and Dr. Mrs. Owodiwe, they are here.
The global leader, President General, ISU Commonwealth Women, Lady Doris, Onu, Lady Adadiora, Namuri Omanze, Gosimba, Ebelake, Ochini, the First Lady.
I get Bureke Nani Bugana Vice President. Ono Chia no Bionyoma,
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor and privilege to invite to the table Dr. and Mrs. Augustine Ijago, Ms. Around, Dr. and Mrs. Augustine Ijago. Okay, while we are waiting for his arrival, I'm going to record this name, Chief and Lola, the man who wrote down the member of the if they are around, let me know. The member of the Okay, I'm meant to understand that Chief and Lolo, that this is Duriji, they have arrived. Please, DJ, Jonah, Chief and Lolo, that this is Duriji. Thank you. Thank you. You know, when women organize something, they want the best. So they don't want to make any mistakes. So that is why we're having some logistics to put things right. Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, we want to invite to the table Chief Christian Suchuku to the table. Chief Christian Christian Esuchubu to the devil, I understand. And Lord, Chief and Lord Christian Esuchubu.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good.
While these our dignitaries are taking their seat, let me at this point in time recognize some of our friends who are here. I want to recognize the presence of Petron. Patron is Dr. Vincent Mwabeke Ishimiri. Please we recognize your presence. Also the Emeritus Chairman of People's Club, Ugumba, recognize you. Also recognizing Professor Chris Olansi Ezenia Notonewi. We welcome you. Also High Chief Dr. Neto Kabo Oramezu Akinogidi. We welcome you. Also, Ichie Okosisi Achebe, we recognize you. All our friends who are here as they come, we begin to recognize you, and we are glad that you are here to make this occasion a great success.
Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are blessed to have His Royal Highness in our midst as Nwoke Foro and the Lolo Engineer Ijiri Diegu of Ebenator Ekwe. Please. Onye eze anyị na-achọ ka abata bịa were ochie ijiji egwu of Ebenator Ekwe. Please DJ, ị ga-akọli egwu ndị eze, you know?
Skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. I don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way. Baby, don't fight it. Babe, sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay.
I see no only chiri nke ochiri ọ ga-ezere onye kwa mbọ a ga-recognize ya.
ISU Commonwealth Women Association, Governor Houston, Texas, United States of America, Woman International, ISU Clan, Imo State. Hallelujah. ISU Ganonia. So that's all. Never give them what you can have a location.
ISU Commonwealth Women bụkwanda na-ebebe o. Ndị Chineke mere mma o, bịawanụ bele gị o. Ndị ka bịa n'ụzọ m o. Ndị ka bịa n'ụzọ m o.
ISU Commonwealth Women. N'ezi adeji aka mma. Ụmụ nwaanyị nwụrụ di ha n'anya.
ISU bụkwa ndị na-eme mma, ndị na-eme mma o. ISU bụkwa ndị na-eme